So this is what everything is looking like in August. The once blue hydrangeas are changed completely. This is the new color for this one. And the rest have turned green, which I'm okay with. Last year they were like this really dark color, so I'm actually welcoming this green color here. And the hostas have flowered. I haven't cut this white flower off because it still looks decent, but I'm gonna take it off probably next week. And all the hostas look pretty healthy. And my white impatiens looks good. It has filled up the spot, which is exactly what I wanted it to do. And then more hydrangea. Color changes. You can see this is what the color was like originally. And now they've turned into a green. This is usually a sign of the seasons changing. So I know we're still in August, but September is right around the corner and it will be fall. Don't even remind me. I'm a little bit depressed about that, but that's okay. I love fall too. Don't get me wrong, but I do love summer as well. And so that's what the hydrangea bed looks like. It looks completely different than what it looked like before. But nonetheless, everything looks healthy, just different colors. And then moving over to our corner bed. As if you've watched this channel before, you'll know that these started quite small. And my goal is for these to fill up the pots and actually fill up to a point where you don't see the pots, and they're getting there. So the goal is almost achieved. And usually this happens by like mid-August, where the pots are completely covered and all you see is just the blooms. But I think this corner is looking pretty decent for this time of year. It's pretty hot, guys. Like, we've got a serious heat wave going on this week. And then I'm gonna move over to our deck garden bed. Sun is quite bright, so hopefully you can see. Okay, here we go. I think that's better. So this is our deck garden bed. I also have more impatiens, which are doing quite decent. This white one here are starting to struggle, but I just gave it some more water and more nutrition, and it's packing back up. Our peony plant is still looking decent. And over here we've got the petunias doing their thing. And then this one, oh my gosh, I always forget the name. It's gonna start blooming towards the beginning of fall, and it's gonna look quite beautiful here. And over here we've got more petunias. And down there is garden phlox. Usually they're bloomed by now, they're white blues, but I think they've been covered by the peony plant so much they're getting a lot of shade. So I don't think we're gonna get many of these, if any, blooms on the phlox right here. Boxwood, let's remove that. And then coming over to our hydrangea plant. This is also changed color. If you remember, this one was a blue color as well. It was actually a mix of blue and pink, but now it has changed into this almost like, I don't really know, burgundy color, purplish. So quite a dark color, not my taste, but as I always say, as long as I got something blooming, I don't care what color it is, I'm just gonna take it. These are doing amazing. These always look better in the middle of the season. So here's a view from this angle. Guys, don't mind the grass. We are having a serious heat wave, so the grass has been struggling this year, but I know it's going to come back. So I will not complain. There's bigger problems in life, I always feel like. Okay, from this angle. And then guys, can you believe this blue hydrangea? This is what it looks like now. Makes me a little sad, to be honest, but I'll take it. As I always say again, as long as there's a flower or there's a bloom, it doesn't matter what color it is, I will accept it. It's God's way. of making the planet beautiful. So here we go. Our now purple, don't know what color it is, hydrangea now. I hope you can see it with the sun. Oh, I might have to come back later. I just put this aloe plant here. I actually don't know what I'm going to use the aloe for, but it's quite beneficial to have in the home. It's used for medicinal purposes and nutritional purposes as well. So if anyone knows some good ways to use aloe, please definitely share. And look at my plant-loving daughter.